Hello friends, welcome to my channel EduKids World. In this video, I will take you through a very useful formula which is index match and its comparison with the VLOOKUP. Once we are done with the formula, we will see how this particular formula of index and match works better as against a VLOOKUP formula. In my previous video, I had shown you how a VLOOKUP formula works, so you can refer to my previous video for this. So index function is basically, it gets you a value at a given location in a range of cells based upon some numeric positions. So if that range is one dimensional, then you will need to give a row number. If suppose that range is two dimensional, then you need to supply both a row number as well as a column number, right? So this is the basic table that I had used earlier also to explain you how a VLOOKUP formula works. Let me tell you how an index function works, right? So I will first type index, then it is asking me for an array. So suppose my array is from B3 to C13, right? And I want works. Now I specify my row column as 3 and let's say a column number, since we are selecting only two columns, so I have to take 2, right? Now so this has taken, this is the data, and from here it has picked up the third row. So third row will be 1, 2 and 3, starting from name, A and B. So this is the third row. Against the column that it has selected is column 2. So the marks corresponding row 3 and the column is 2, right? So the marks that are corresponding to column 2 is 10. That is why I have got a marks as 10. Now let me take you through a match function also. So match function is basically designed for mainly one purpose, that is to find the position of an item in a range. And let me tell you, match function is not case sensitive. It doesn't require even if the range is horizontally placed or vertically placed, right? So let me show you a match function, right? It's asking me for a lookup value. Suppose the lookup value is B and its lookup array is, we need, as we know that B is reflecting on the names, so the lookup array is here, and I want an exact match, so it's 0 and close the brackets, right? So let's see. So it is giving me that B name is depicted in the third row. So third row, how? Starting from here, 1, 2 and 3. Now suppose if I change my array from B3 to B4, will my answer change? Yes, it has got changed, because now it is reading the data from B4 and B is second position. It's in the second position. That is, try to combine index and match function together. How will that work, right? So let me just put index, right? So I need the marks as it is here that I've shown under the VLOOKUP. So the result outcome will remain the same, but the formula gets changed from VLOOKUP to index and match, right? Index, then my array is, I need the marks, so I'll put this as my base, right? Second, it's asking me for the row and the column, that to replace that I'll just write match, and then what do I need? I need A marks under lookup value, it's here, right? And an exact match, and close the brackets. Hello, brackets with a 00. Now see, the marks for A under VLOOKUP is also 20 and under match is also 20. So what it has done is, so index and match getting combined gives me the same result as VLOOKUP, right? So let me just change here to suppose, see, let's see if my marks change. Now see, under both the cases, you see the marks have got changed from 27. I over here, instead of my marks reflecting in English is on the C column, if suppose I add one column over here. Now what do you see? You see that under the VLOOKUP, the value has gone 0. Why? Because the data was selected based upon this range, which was this to this, because a new column has been added. So it is still reading the data from 1 and the second column is C, and since the C column is now blank, so it is throwing me a result of 0. Whereas my index the position of the answer has not got changed, and it is still reflecting me the same answer as 20. So here I am not selecting a column, whereas I am specifying this the column from where I need the results. So that is the major difference between a VLOOKUP and an index and match formula. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel EduKids World.